Hi lovers, so guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to pluck your frontal wig. So this wig is for a client. So what we're going to do, I'm just showing you around the wig. It's a very beautiful wig. So I'm the one that is going to install the wig. So I just want to prep the wig down before it arrives. The client arrive before the installation. So what I did is just to fold it, make sure it is equal, because we want to get a middle part, which is a center part. So I just make sure it's equal. So this is it, you see, you measure it very well. And when you've done that, you just pick a scissors and cut it a little bit, so that in the lace, not in the with the hair, so that you will know the part. So this is how it is. So after I've cut it, I already know where my middle part is. The next thing is for me to put it at the yeah. So I just put it here in the dummy. So now I'm going to do the pinning before plucking the hair. And as a beginner, you are not supposed to be doing it in ace. You need to calm down. So I'm going to pin it, first of all, at the middle. I'm going to pin it at the middle, you see. So pinning at the middle, then I'm going to pin the both sides, the left and the right, together as well. So after doing that, what is now the next thing? Is now for the mating, which is to pluck it. So what do you need? Your pin and your comb. So just try to use your little comb to comb everything backward. Then you start picking. Pick gently. Don't be in haste. Gently. Just because if you use a force to pick it, first of all, you are going to have two errors there. One is that you're going to see a big hole. You can even easily tear the net with the picking, or you can pick a lot and you now have that space there and you can't refill it back. So what you'll be doing is just to be picking. You see, I'm trying to explain that you don't use force. No, you don't use force. You just pick. So when you look at what I'm doing, I'm trying to show you. You pick like this. No, you are using force. You can easily pick a lot of hair. But what you are going to do, because you're a beginner, you're going to pick little by little. You're not a professional. You're going to pick little by little. I mean, when I was doing this video, it was like I was not doing anything. Because normal for me, I'll just pick pep. But because I'm doing this video for beginners, you need to pick gently. Pick and comb. When you pick, you comb, you see the quantity of the hair you'll be bringing out, that is not much. So do it gently. So after you have picked it round, I normally do my own round, then you just take it like this, the way I do it like this. Then you pick again, because first of all, you did the front, just the front. Then you pick, do it like this again. Keep picking, just keep doing it with ease, with calmness. Just enjoy the work, enjoy what you're doing. Because when you are doing it with, let me do it this way, you made a mistake and it's not going to go well. So you just keep, this is the middle part. I just want to make that part a little more, you see what I bring out from the one I pick is not much. So don't go and pluck all the hair out because you want to pluck it. So guys, this is it. I think now I'm going to stop here so that you guys will watch the video. Or if you want me to be doing more explanation, just let me know. Okay. So this is, you see the quantity as well that come out from this one. So I'll just keep doing like this because I want the hair to be like, you know what I mean, to be slick, to be nice, to be good. So I need to pluck it very well and not to damage the client's wig as well. If it's your wig, do it gently. If it's for someone, do it gently. What you need is, you need to do it very gently. So I keep doing it. It's a routine that I'm going to do throughout the front side, throughout the wig. So I don't know if I've made mistake in this record I'm doing, but nevertheless, manage it like that. And I hope you understand. So this is it. I'm keep going. So please guys, stay tuned to this channel. We're going to be bringing more videos and more this thing. You see that this, when I pluck it, look at, you can see the difference. This place, you see that place is more fuller. Look at this other place. It's okay. So I was trying to see, are you seeing? And when I comb it, you see that place, there's a volume there like it has. So I need to repluck that place for it to be okay, for my satisfaction. So you need to be looking at your job, looking at what you're doing. So this is the final look. Let me see. This is what it looked like. And I have just pluck it, so not too much, so that, because not too much, very much, there are some plucking you pluck. So after that, I just use my, so this is an hair wash. They have different types, so you just bring it out, then I just use my hair wash for the front, so that it's going to sleep. So this is what I normally use, my hair wash. I don't use any other thing. Maybe if I want to install, then I will not use different thing. So this is my hot comb. It was 2, so I just need to increase it to be 3. That's the hotness. So just put it, you can see the difference. Gently, you are not in haste, just gently. You see, so you can't tell me that from the beginning to this place there is no different, or you have not learnt anything. I believe you have learnt something, because this is just a very detailed tutorial for beginner friendly. You see that I just use the hot comb. You press it down with care, and don't allow it to stay longer, because if not, it's going to pull the front hair. You can see it different already. For me, I'm seeing different though, from where we are coming from. You see that the front is, you see, you have not metted, you have not got, oh my god, and you have not even cut. If you want to do a Lagos hairline, if you want to leave it like that, it's your choice. So if you want to do a Lagos hairline, you're going to still repluck a little bit of the front after cutting the Lagos hairline. But for now, this is just a beginner tutorial, so it will be easy for whosoever that is doing it. So I don't want to start teaching you what will be difficult for you. So you keep doing it, and any place that you find that the place is still not to your satisfaction, you can pluck. You see, you can pack. If you want to pack it, you see how it's nice. Maybe I want to pack, I can pack it. You see, it's giving. Oh my god, it's so nice. So I was just trying to show you different patterns. If you want to pack a middle part, you can, whatever you want to do. And when you're done and you see that you are not satisfied, you can still be plucked again. Use your hair wash and use your hot comb. You will get a better result, even more than what I'm doing. But I'm just doing this for you to understand what I'm doing. So guys, this is all for this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment. Whatever video you want me to do, feel free to let me know at the comment section. Stay tuned. God bless you. Bye. Mwah.